Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix desktop keyboard issue in your Mac operating system. So before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So to solve this issue, go to library, then open preferences, then right click on Apple keyboard type, then click on move to bin, enter your password and click OK. Then open your system settings. Go to accessibility, click on the keyboard and turn on accessibility keyboard. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.